Di, and Di is currently knitting, which is awesome. There we go. But Di, you're learning to crochet as well with Charlotte, aren't you?
Yeah.
And what were you saying? You were saying Rosalind was saying that it's easier to crochet on the bus than it is to knit on the bus.
Yeah.
Do you agree with that? Or
yeah, I'm learning to crochet because I'm going on a couple of holidays and I'm going up to Sheffield to see a friend, so I want something to do on the coach.
Yeah, that's a nice holiday and a good craft to do en route.
I mean, I knit when we go to the caravan. I knitted a blanket last year.
Oh, lovely.
So, well, a scarf.
So now you'll have a new skill that takes up slightly less elbow space.
Oh yes, don't bash my husband in the eye when I'm trying to crochet, when I'm trying to knit.
And have you met lots of people here at the hub?
Yes.
Is it quite a nice, chilled, friendly vibe?
Yeah, I've got chronic back pain and I'm not working, so this is to get out and meet people to rebuild my confidence, because I've not been able to go out for about 3 or 4 months. So this was sort of my way of getting out and meeting new people, rebuilding my confidence.
Oh, that's lovely. You know what? It's a really good way of doing that, isn't it? Because it's really positive. You're learning a skill that you'll have forever. You can make things rather than buying them new. And you can just, put lots of love into your gifts for people.
Oh, yeah. I've got a blanket for a friend who's not very well, and it's for her. I made it in lockdown, and it didn't have a home, and I found out she's quite seriously ill. So I finished it off, and I'm going to give it to her as a little prezi.
That's so lovely. Well done, Di.